Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute koala. You'll need something to draw with. Let's begin! We're going to make this koala's head really big, so it's going to take up most of the paper. You're going to start here on the more of the top of the page and make your way all around. So I'm going to start right here, making my circle going around, oval shape. A little shaky, and that's okay because it'll get fixed at the end. And then to the top. Remember, you don't always have to make a perfect shape. It's okay. So here you go. You got that oval shape. And now we're going to make an N shape for the ears. Going up, over, and there you go. Nice big ears for the koala to hear. We're going to make another N shape on the other side. Oh, let me get this. I have a cat and she likes to lay on my drawings. Okay, so let's go and make that N. And going down. There we go. Super. Now, to make our ears look super cute, we're going to add another line right underneath. So that is the outer part of the ear. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other ear. Following along, going around, and down. Super, we got the ears. Let's work inside the face. So we'll make a circle for the eye. You can make your circle really big. I'm going to make mine medium size. And then I'm going to put another circle on the other side. And then we're going to add light glare. So make a tiny circle on the inside and an even tinier circle below. Tiny circle on the inside and then another tiny circle below. I'm going to make some eyebrows. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker. You can make yours a thin line if you want. You don't have to copy exactly what I do, and that's okay. And I'm going to make a really big nose because koalas have really big noses. And it's going to be an oval shape. So I'm going to start with like a backwards C, making my way around and closing it up. And then I'm going to have a tiny little line going down from the nose. And let's make that mouth. Make a little flat U shape. And then another U shape underneath. Awesome, the head is done. Let's get that body. To draw the outside of the body, we're going to go in the middle of the chin, right here, and then make our way down. And we're going to do it again on the other side. Curve and then stop. Next we're going to make the arms, and that's going to have like a really tight U shape. It's going to be really squished. All right, so we're going to make our way down, nice little U curve line, and then back up again. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to go down, curve it, and then come back up, and making sure that it's really tight on the inside. And then let's see, there's that little space right there. We're going to make a curved line arching upward so that you have the top of the belly. And now we're going to make the bottom of the belly. Koala needs legs, so we're going to make a big oval shape, or a C. I'm going to start from right up here, going around and then in. There's one leg, and then we're going to make a curved line going an opposite C in the inside for the bottom of the foot. Now we're going to make an opposite C for the other leg. I'm going to start right here on the top and then make our way down to the bottom. And now we're going to make a C shape for the inside of the foot. And going down. Add some glare to the nose. So I'm going to go right here and curve it, and then just another curved line right next to it. There you have it. Our koala is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing a koala with me today. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.